Hey guys, Jono here from HackLab. I recently bought one of these little electric screwdrivers off takealot for just under 800 Rand. I've been looking for something like this for a while, just to make taking things apart, putting them back together badly, a little bit easier. It comes in a little velvet case and it's got 20 bits in this tube, which they seem good enough for their purpose. It snaps quite easily into the screwdriver itself with a magnetic head and has a forward and reverse function on the screwdriver itself. It runs off two AAA batteries, which so far have lasted quite long. The original batteries that came with were the usual rubbish, unfortunately. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. It's fit for purpose, it works well, and yeah, the build quality is not bad. So I thought I'd make this review. Hope it helps. See you guys later. Cheers.